and welcome to Rhymetime with Aura Libraries. My name's Liz.
My name is Inara.
So let's get started with our hello song.
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, how are you today? Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun. We're going to have some fun with music, rhythm and rhyme. Yay! Hello! I hear you've got a fabulous book that we could share with our friends, Inara.
Yes, it's called Octopants by Susie Senior and Claire Powell.
That looks fabulous, and it's also one of our Bookstart books. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Octopants. Hello there, I'm an octopus. There's something you should know.
I don't have any underpants and nothing on below.
Good night. I tried to buy some octopants. I tried all over town. But everyone just laughed and answered with a frown.
Underpants for you, they said. Oh no, we don't have any. The problem seems to be your legs. You've just got 6 too many.
That is a lot of legs, Inara.
Yes.
I even tried to shop online. I tried to surf the net. I found a cod, 3 tunas, and my credit card got wet.
I still could not find octopants. It almost made me cry. There is pants out there for everyone, except for octopi.
Wow, look at all the fish in their different pants. But then one day, I found a place I hadn't seen before. A seahorse hovered just inside the huge revolving door.
Good morning. Can I help you, sir? Why don't you step inside? My undersea emporium is famous ocean-wide.
Wow, that is fabulous. I have bobble hats for barnacles and evening wear for eels.
Onesies just for urchins and sleeper socks for seals.
Jewellery for jellyfish. Oh, that's fancy.
Water wings for whales and rainbow paint for rainbow trout to smarten up their scales.
Yes, I've got clothes for everyone, with spots and stripes and rockets, pirate ships and sparkly bits, and lots of handy pockets.
Now, underwear for you, sir. I think you've been misled. Perhaps you don't need octopants, but something else instead.
And then I saw the problem. I'd looked at this all wrong. These legs weren't legs. These legs were arms, and had been all along.
Hello there. I'm an octopus. By now you might have guessed. I'm still not wearing underpants.
What do you think? Let's see. I bought an octo vest. Wow. That looks super.
Yes, very nice.
Oh, that was a lovely story. I hope you enjoyed that. And didn't you tell me you had a song about an octopus, Inara?
We have a song about octopus.
Shall we share it with our friends?
Yes.
Get your arms, if you can do this with your arms. And we're ready. 1, 2, 3. Octopus, octopus, swim, swim. Octopus, 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 swim, swim. Octopus, swim up, swim down, swim forward and around. Swim up, swim down, swim forward and around. octopus, octopus, swim, swim, octopus, 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 swim, swim, octopus. Yay! Oh, I hope you enjoyed that.
Do we have another song?
Yes, we do. Do we have a Deep Blue Sea song?
Yes.
Shall we sing our Deep Blue Sea song?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Imagine you're swimming in the sea, or imagine that you're a fish. You could be a fish, or a whale. Let's see. Down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, come and sing along with me. We'll see a great big whale, we'll see a great big whale, we'll see a great big whale, come and sing along with me. We'll see an octopus, we'll see an octopus, we'll see an octopus, come and sing along with me. We'll see a baby shark, we'll see a baby shark, we'll see a baby shark, come and sing along with me. We'll see a jellyfish, we'll see a jellyfish, we'll see a jellyfish, come and sing along with me. Down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, come and sing along with me. Yay! Oh, I enjoyed that. That was lovely. Oh,
It's time to say goodbye.
oh, do we have to?
Yes, but we will be back.
We will, won't we? We'll see you again soon. So let us sing our goodbye song, and we've hoped you've enjoyed our under the water octopus session. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. We're very glad you've come. We've had a lot of fun with music, rhythm and rhyme. Yay! Bye bye. Cool.
Will.